Welcome to Fun with Forms, where we talk about how you can best use Desk Director's forms.
Today we will talk about how to make a form. Let's make a quick form that asks people for their contact details like their name, phone number, and email. We'll first navigate to the home screen of the admin portal. Then click Portal and then Forms. Click New Form and give it a name and a description.
We can call this contact details and describe it as a form to collect the customer's details. Tags can be used for easy categorization and filtering. Let's use the tag Demo. Click Save. Now we are in the form editor. Since it will be a short form, we can stick with the base section. Let's click Add New Question, and for the name, we will prepare a text-type question. We will title the question Name, and we can click Required to make it a required question to input an answer for. Next, we will collect an email address. We can click Email for this question, title it Email, make it so only one entry is allowed, and click Required.
And finally, we will collect a phone number so we can click the phone question type, label it Phone Number, select the relevant country code, leave this also at one entry, and click Required.
Click Save, and you have made your form.
And that's how to make a basic form.
See you in the next Fun with Forms video for more on forms.